Good day, everyone. Today, I will explain our medical clinic data entry outsourcing workflow designed to ensure accuracy, efficiency, and data security. The process begins when we receive 2,000 paper forms from the medical clinic. We log the total number of forms received. We assign a batch ID to track each group of documents. This step ensures accountability and prevent missing records. Next is document preparation. In this stage, we remove staples and paper clips. We sort the form into smaller batches of 100 to 200 forms. Before moving forward, we conduct quality check number 1, completeness check. The project supervisor verifies all pages are present, no form are missing, form are readable. This prevents delay later in the process. After preparation, the document go to scanning and OCR processing. Form are scanned into PDF format using a high-speed scanner. OCR software extract printed text automatically. Then we perform quality check number 2, which is scan clarity and readability. The scanning operator ensure the scanned image are clear, text are readable, no page are cut off. If scan are unclear, they are rescanned immediately. Next is manual data entry. Data entry operator enter information into the patient management system. Free text fields are typed manually. Checkbox fields are visually verified. At this stage, we conduct quality check number 3, accuracy and completeness. QC review compares. Encode data, original scanned form. This ensures correct patient details such as name, date of birth, and insurance information. After data entry, we perform a second level of quality review, which is a 100% checking of critical fields like name, DOB, and insurance, and 20% random checking of non-critical fields. If errors are found, we go back to the record, go to the correction process. In the correction process, errors are logged, records are corrected, files are resubmit or for rechecking. This loop continues until errors are resolved. If no errors are found, the workflow proceeds to final verification and approval. The project supervisor confirmed that overall accuracy is at least 99.5% based on audit report. This ensures we meet the client quality requirements. Once approved, the project is complete and ready for a secure submission to the medical clinic. This workflow ensures high accuracy in a 99.5 requirement, multiple quality checkpoint, clear rule assignment, secure document handling, error correction before final approval. In conclusion, this workflow ensures that medical data is processed accurately, securely, and efficiently while meeting strict healthcare quality standards. This workflow design was chosen to balance accuracy, efficiency, and data security while meeting the clinic 4 weeks timeline and budget constraint. The process follows a linear but controlled flow, starting from document receipt to final reporting, with clearly defined rules at each stage. By matching the 2,000 form and combining OCR with manual data entry, the workflow improves speeds while maintaining reliability for complex fields such as medical history and insurance information. Estimated time frame were calculated based on average industry data entry rate and include buffer days for error correction and revalidation. To ensure the 95.5% accuracy requirement, multiple quality control checkpoint were integrated throughout the workflow. Critical patient fields undergo 100% verification, while non-critical data is reviewed through random sampling. Any detected error trigger a correction loop before final approval, preventing inaccurate record from moving forward. Each IPAA compliance is maintained by limiting access to authorized personnel only, using encrypted storage, secure system, and controlled data transfer. Anticipated challenges include handwritten text, errors, and incomplete forms. These are addressed through manual verification, escalation procedure, and supervisor oversight. Overall, this workflow ensures high quality and secure and cost-effective digitization of patient record.